Hello and welcome to day 4, I think I've lost count, yes, day 4. This is day 4, this is definitely day 4 of me unboxing these pop figures. Today I will be unboxing the fire alarm minion. Beeeeeee, Beeeeeee. Yeah. He is number 126 in the series and almost says 62, 42. Anyway, he's got his little chubby face popping around like a pop figure. See what I did there? Anyway, it says pop movements along the top, and there's 2 in this series. I will hopefully be getting the Hula Minion. There are like a lot more Despicable Me and Minions pops. These are just like the ones which are in this. Wait, what's this? Oh yeah, it says Dooooor thing. Does it fit into his hand? Sorry about that, the camera cut out. Some like my really old videos from last summer. Sorry about that, the camera cut out. Anyway, this pop is amazing. See, he's got like his Beeeeee lights everywhere. He's got his minion eye and his little mouth like Beeeeee. And this pop still has the dark eyes. But yeah, he's wearing his onesie jumpsuit thing, whatever you'd call it. Okay, I don't know why I did that. Anyway, he's got his megaphone for shouting the alarm if there's a fire, and yeah, that's basically all I've got to say about this pop. I really like it. He's got his hands scrunched up at the back. I had to add that in. But the only problem is he's got like no articulation anywhere, which is a bit disappointing because all the other pops have. But anyway, thank you for watching and goodbye.